I've been on HRT for 5 years now, and I want to share how that's been going for me. I started off with the 25 microgram patches alongside the Mirena IUD at the age of 50. I'm 55 now. And within 18 months of the lowest dose estrogen patch, I went back to my doctor and requested to boost it up to 50 micrograms, which is about the average for most women, because I had noticed the anxiety kind of creeping in again, and that really helped. Since I've boosted to 50 micrograms, I've been on that for the last 3.5 years. I doubled down on my health and lifestyle changes to support me during perimenopause, and the HRT was kind of like the icing on the top. So when I started HRT, I didn't drop back to my bad habits. If anything, they became just normal everyday things that I do alongside brushing my teeth. Long-term experience using HRT, 5 years now. I've got a consistent energy and mood. I'm very stable, moderated. Nothing really makes me flare up or get angry. Part of that could probably be aging, just feeling a little bit wiser. I've got a strong commitment to my habits without feeling burnout. If something feels like it's pushing me too far and I'm feeling too tired, I'm not sleeping well, I just pull back. And I'm feeling really grounded, capable, and confident with my body. What's really great between when I started HRT and where we're up to now, 2026, there has been a lot of research and a lot of science to support the benefits of HRT. For example, the bone density preservation. I mean, who wants to break a bone later in life? If you can have HRT as you're going through perimenopause and strengthen your bones alongside strength training, then your chances of falling, breaking a hip or breaking a thigh bone a lot less. The symptom relief just throughout the years, the better sleep quality, the no joint pain, the better recovery after workouts, just having that consistently the last 5 years has just been amazing. And we know that there's a growing recognition of the safety of transdermal estrogen, which is the patches and the gels. So these are quite easy to access, and doctors are getting more comfortable prescribing them. The good thing about transdermal estrogen is it goes through the skin, so you're either using a little patch on your hip or your glute, or you're using a squirt of gel on your inner thigh or inner arm, and it's going directly through the skin. It's bypassing the liver, so it's getting right into the bloodstream and it's doing what it needs to do, which is reduce your perimenopause symptoms and make you feel yourself again. Women are advocating for themselves so much more confidently. There's so much more education and information out there on the benefits and safety of estrogen. In fact, in the US, they took the black box messaging away that was linked to some risks that just aren't true. So that's finally been removed, and that helps women feel more confident that what they're taking is safe and good for their bodies. My final message is HRT is not a vanity medication. It's not about anti-aging. It's about function, mental health, physical independence, and long-term well-being. So my message to anyone who's considering taking HRT, you don't need to suffer to be natural. It's not I need to be natural and not take HRT versus you should be on HRT. Every woman is different. I think it's worth trying. It definitely helped me. It's helped a lot of people that have struggled with perimenopause symptoms. I also have friends that have used HRT through perimenopause. They're now postmenopause and have stopped taking HRT and feeling fine. But you just deserve an informed choice. HRT is a tool. It's not a failure.